Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered unknown software exception occurred in the application, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to do a clean boot, restart in the clean boot. So we'll look for system configuration and then we'll go to services. Make sure that you check hide all Microsoft services, very important to do this. And then we will click on the third party apps which are not required for the functioning of the computer and keep looking for those apps. Google Chrome is also not required. And then we will click on disable all, click on apply, and then click on OK and click on restart. And then after it restarts, we need to run the .NET framework repair tool. For that, we will open the browser and we will click .NET framework repair tool. And we will click on this link and we will download the tool. Then we'll open the folder, run the file as administrator, right click, run as administrator, click on yes. And then once you've clicked on this check button, you click on next, and it will repair the .NET framework. The last thing we need to do is run the check disk scan. So we'll go to command prompt, right click on it, and then run as administrator and enter the command chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. Then press Y and press enter. Once it scans, just restart your computer by clicking on start, clicking on the power button and clicking on restart. And this exception should no longer show on your system. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.